And for Pendle BTC, all it needs to do now is hold the 200-day, which is right here. Just hold the 200-day and BTC moves higher, and we could see Pendle move higher again. So that's what I've got in Pendle. And let's take a look at AERO, AERO USDT. So AERO, this is the native token for Aerodrome over on the base chain. And, AERO, big move higher after that announcement from Coinbase that, they had invested into Aerodrome. Big move higher and, a fairly healthy correction. So, 62%, that's a normal and healthy correction and bouncing, forming a double bottom here. So, that doesn't look all that bad. In fact, this double bottom, the bounce is slightly higher. This low is slightly higher than this low, bullish. So what I'm looking for in AERO is I would really like to see, number one, it needs to hold this level, needs to hold above 90 cents. And number two, I want to see AERO break above $1.32 and hold above to signal that this correction is over and we are resuming the move to the upside, or at the very least, just entering a higher range. So that's what I'm looking for in AERO. And if we take a look at its cousin, Velo, this is Velodrome, the pattern in Velodrome is not nearly as healthy as the pattern in AERO. And Velodrome really just needs to hold its 200-day moving average here. But this huge move to the upside, giving back almost all of it, that is not what you want to see. That is not healthy price action. I would much rather see a stair-step move higher, correct 50 or 60%, and then enter a higher range like AERO has done. So, we've got this stair-step move higher, correct 60%. I'd like to see another stair-step move into a slightly higher range, like it did here, like it did here, like it did here. That's what I'd like to see in AERO, and we just don't see that in Velo. So this is not as healthy. This big move higher that then gave it all back, yeah, needs to hold the 200-day, in my opinion.